What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about notifications. So in Drift, you need to be making sure that you are on point with answering live chats when they're available. If you can get under a minute, you're doing really great. But you have to think about what it looks like on the other side to that prospect. That minute, imagine waiting on hold on the phone for a minute without having any prompt. You're probably going to get lost pretty quickly in that conversation, or get distracted, or something's going to pull you away. So you have to find the happy balance between making sure that you serve your prospects quickly enough and the other side where you don't get drowned in notifications that are happening. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to jump in and adjust your notification settings so that you can be sane in your Drift chat and at the same time be serving your prospects effectively. So what you're going to do is go to the bottom left of your page and you're going to see your profile photo. You can click My Settings, and that is going to bring you to this page. When you get to this page, you'll see this notifications section. You can click into that and you'll have three main sections. One is your browser preferences, so you get browser notifications, which I highly recommend these. You have a couple different options. You can choose to see all conversations, only conversations that you're in, and the ones that don't have people associated, the actual conversations that you have been assigned to or you are in, and then of course nothing, where you don't get any notifications from that item. As a general rule, it's pretty good to have conversations you're in at the very least, but then also make it, if you're an admin or someone that's paying attention to Drift in general, you might also want to turn on notifications so that you can see ones that don't have someone assigned. You can choose to have a particular sound, and then of course you can send a test, and that test will come through as a push notification in your browser. Then you can get your mobile push preferences. So for instance, on a iOS or a Google phone, you can make it so that the Drift app throws push notifications to your phone. You may not want browser preferences. You may just send it straight to your phone, but you can set the very similar items here. You can choose your sound, either with sound or no sound, and then of course you can send that test as well, and it'll come through on your phone. And then finally is the email preferences. So you have the same options for email preferences, and of course it'll send you to your email address. But one of the things that you need to keep in mind is that these are going to be coming to your email on an ongoing basis. And if you have one or two of these other options, it may not be necessary. You also have the option to set up the Drift morning report. And what's kind of cool about that is it's going to bring you back and it's going to give you a rundown on how things went the previous day. It's a really great way of just seeing how Drift is working in your organization. And if nothing else in the very beginning, it can be pretty important. And then if you're an admin, you can also get notifications when integrations are added or removed. That is fully up to you from an organizational standpoint. So once you have notifications lined up, then you're all set to really get notified when things are happening. You don't have to monitor it actively unless someone comes in and pings you. And of course, you can also use tools like Slack or other tools like that would notify you in other means too. But these are the options that are in Drift. If you have any questions about Drift or conversational marketing, please feel free to hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. You can also subscribe to our videos by clicking here, and you can see other videos that we've done right here in regards to conversational marketing and Drift. But until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.